In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to snap objects to the grid in Blender. We'll start by giving ourselves something simple to work with. In the 3D viewport, press Shift+A to open the Add menu, go to Mesh and choose Cube. Dropping in a basic cube is perfect for practicing movement and snapping, and it keeps everything clear and predictable as you follow along. Next, let's turn on snapping so the object aligns neatly to the grid. Look toward the top of the 3D viewport for the little magnet icon. Click it to enable snapping. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Shift+Tab to toggle snapping on and off at any time. When snapping is enabled, the magnet icon will appear highlighted, which is a quick visual confirmation that it's active. Right beside the magnet icon is the snapping mode selector. Click that drop down and choose increment. Increment snapping tells Blender to use the grid spacing as the snapping target so your object lands on exact grid units as you move it. If you ever notice your object isn't snapping to the grid, double check that the mode says increment, not vertex or face, since those target geometry rather than the grid. Now let's move the cube and see snapping in action. Press G to grab the object, then move your mouse. You'll notice the cube jumps between grid points instead of sliding smoothly. That's exactly what we want. Once the cube is positioned where you like, left click to confirm. If you change your mind mid-move, right click or press ES key to cancel and return the cube to its previous position. There's also a really handy way to use snapping only when you need it. Even if snapping is turned off, you can hold Ctrl while moving to temporarily snap to the grid. Try it this way. With snapping disabled, press G to move the cube, hold Ctrl to engage temporary snapping, position it on a grid point, then release Ctrl and click to place it. This gives you the best of both worlds. Free movement most of the time with precise grid alignment on demand. To recap, add a cube with Shift+A, enable snapping with the magnet or Shift+Tab, set the mode to increment, move with G to snap to the grid, and remember you can hold Ctrl for temporary snapping. With these essentials, you'll keep your objects cleanly aligned and your scenes organized from the start.